Welcome to this session. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate S3 versioning. Versioning offers an additional level of protections. Once versioning is enabled on S3 bucket, then it allows you to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object stored. It also protects from unintended user actions and application failures. In this lab section, I'll show you how to enable versioning in S3 bucket. Upload one text file with different versions. I have logged into AWS Management Console. I'll go to S3 section and I'll show you how many buckets I have. I'll click on one of the bucket which I have recently created, SuggestCloud, which is created in Asia Pacific Mumbai region. Now I'm going to upload one text file and I'm going to upload it directly with the upload button. Now you can see from the bottom 0 in progress, 1 is successful. Now AWS versioning.1.txt is uploaded to the bucket. I'll quickly go ahead and see whether I'm able to open the text file or not. I'll click on open. This is a test file to show AWS S3 versioning object which I have just uploaded it without any version. Now to enable the versioning, I have to go to the properties. I'll click on properties. You can see the versioning option here. So you can keep multiple versions of an object in the same bucket. I'll click on and I'll just enable the versioning. Enable the versioning, you can see here the versions hide and show. Once you click on show, you can see the version ID. Now here you can see it, the version ID is null. Now why is that? Because the text which I have uploaded was uploaded before the versioning was enabled. Now I am again going to upload one more file. I'm going to change the text file a little bit and I'll add one more line. I'll just save it. I'll again go back to my console and I'll add. Now I have not changed the name, so let's see whether it gets overwritten or it will show you. Now here you can see if you click on hide and then if you click on the object, let's see what it will show you. Now it is showing me the additional ID which I have just additional line which I have just updated it. Now if I want to test whether the what happened to my older version, so I'll click on show. That will show me the both the versions of the same file. So this was uploaded May 3 2020 11:48 and the latest version was uploaded 11:51 and you can also see the version ID here. Now like I explained you, the version ID will show you only once you enable the versioning on the bucket. So the earlier version of the file or earlier version of the object will not show any version ID. It will show you null. Now let's try to delete the AWS versioning 1.txt file. Now what will happen if I delete this particular file? Now let's click on the file and try to delete it. I'll select it. I'll go to action and I'll say delete. Now what will happen to the file? Now you can see it here. I have three versions now. One, the earlier version with the version ID null, and this was the latest which I have uploaded it, and there is one more delete marker. So there are three different versions. This I have already explained you in the beginning of the video that it protects from unintended user action and application failure. Now if someone tries to delete it by mistake, it is still there in the bucket, but with the option delete marker. So if you click on this one and if you go to action and delete the delete marker, it will again restore it back. So if you try to hide it, you will see the same file. That means you have deleted the delete marker, it has restored the deleted one. You can also see the both the versions or all the versions of the same file. You can see this is the latest version and this is the old version. If you want to see the older version, you can click on open. It will show you the older version as well. So this is all I have for you in this video. In this video, I have explained you about AWS S3 versioning, how to enable versioning, and how to upload multiple versions of the same file, and how to restore the deleted objects in the AWS S3. Now the deleted object will get restored only once you enable the AWS versioning. So this is all I have for you as of. I would request everyone to please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much and happy learning.